What's up guys, Karlo here, Horsepower Industries, and welcome back to our channel. Looks like it's been a while since we've done a shop life video. Well, obviously because we're so busy out here at the shop, and I haven't done any videos here at the shop for the past month, maybe month and a half. So yeah, I just wanna get you guys updated on what's going on here at Horsepower Industries. And as usual, we're busy, got lots of pending projects that need to get finished. Not only that, we do have a lot of new work too. But yeah, here, let's go check out these cars that we're working on at the moment. All right, so the Acura RSX pretty much did a suspension tuning. Customer wants to use this for track, and they recently installed a set of BC Racing coilovers. And as you know, we do a lot of suspension tuning here at the shop, and help them pretty much adjust the preload and set the suspension to correct ride height, especially for track. And later today, we're gonna do alignment. We're gonna take this car to my friend's alignment shop, to Gary's shop, and get this all dialed in. And then we also bled the brakes yesterday because the customer installed this pretty sick setup. I think it's an Acura RL big brake kit. So that's actually factory Acura front brakes from I believe it's a RL or TL. I'll ask the customer, but if you guys know what it is, just please comment down below. And also they have the nice Motegi track light wheels that clears the caliper. But yeah, man, it's a good starter setup, and pretty much later we'll get it all sorted out with the alignment, and then do another testing, probably do some back road driving, and I'll probably give you guys a little bit of a review on the setup on this car. And right here we got a new customer with his Camaro. It's actually this car is a twin turbo Camaro modified. As you can see here, it's pretty badass. I think this is an AGP twin turbo kit for the Chevy Camaros. And actually this car has some issues that we need to get fixed. Actually I found a boost leak problem, so I pretty much replaced this coupler right here. The old coupler got torn. Actually I have the old coupler right here. As you can see, this first thing I noticed, see that there's a crack on the coupler, and that was right there. And it's crazy because that's one of the lowest point of the car, so I guess it was just scraping on the if you go over a speed bump or a hump or a driveway, it'll naturally scrape. So what I would do, I'll probably put a custom I'd say a plate there, a skid plate, to protect this. We're gonna definitely fab up something that way, prevents from the coupler from cracking in the future. So that's one. And also we're gonna do a tune up on this thing. Check the spark plugs yesterday. One of our new techs, Alex, he removed the spark plug, and we did find a couple of foul plugs. Actually the whole 8 of the spark plugs are foul, so we're gonna change the spark plugs, and then also check the rest of the system, make sure there's no boost leaks, make sure there's no misfires, and probably get the tune checked as well, and this car should be good to go. All right, so let's go check out this guy right here. What up, what up?
Fucking bombing my blog, dude? Bro, check this
Adam
out.
Swan.
So this guy came in saying his alternator's not charging up the car.
Yeah.
He drove it, I was just explaining this on mine too, so we'll have a little double up here. But This car came all the way up from LA. This dude drove it, said it wasn't having any issues. It's pretty much till he got around the Bay Area. So, you know, aside from the starter bolt in the ground that we saw missing,
Yeah,
a few
no,
other little things.
This-
It left a nice little oil puddle on the ground when I moved it. So
Oh,
we'll
shoot,
check
really?
that out. But, you know, the reason it came in was the alternator.
Yeah.
So, got a new alternator,
Yeah.
right?
There.
All right, well, under first inspection here, just putting eyes on everything, I think I found the problem. We might not even have to replace the alternator.
Oh shit!
So I think we got off easy on this by,
Oh, there's no belt.
you know, when you just do a general inspection on things.
Oh shoot! That's weird. Well, yeah, obviously,
So,
you know, if there's no belt, the alternator's not spinning, so it's not charging the battery. So wow.
yeah, so what, should we just throw a belt on this thing? And
Yeah, let's try that. You know, the
I think that'd probably be
easiest thing to do is like throw a belt in and then
Let me check.
test
It looks
it.
like it's actually a pretty, like, it doesn't look like an old.
Alternator.
Yeah.
Well, if it's not old, I would definitely just check the connection, and also let's check if that pulley is spinning, because like there's a reason why the belt came off. So it's either the pulley seized and stop, you know, and then throw out the old belt. But yeah, that's crazy, man.
Plastic.
Yeah, it's a 420A turbocharged 420A.
420?
420. And we've been doing a lot of Subarus lately, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Not just Evos here. We do a lot of Subarus,
Yeah.
WRX and STIs.
So, yeah, as you can see, I'm doing the current job on the ground. There you go.
But yeah, like this one right here. Actually, just changing the lower ball joints, easy job. But we noticed like yesterday on this lower control arm, it's missing a metal sleeve. And it's crazy how, I don't know, like either the previous owner of this car or something like that, they use like washers. They use washers to like secure the ball joint. It's really crazy. But anyways, yeah, we just installed a set of white line, roll sensor correction, new tie rods. Right now we're just waiting for a new pair of inner sleeve that goes inside this thing. I ordered it from Subaru yesterday, so it's gonna come tomorrow. And once that comes in, we're just gonna install it and then get this thing aligned on probably like Thursday or something. And this one right here, another FRS project. We're doing a supercharger install. We're putting a Craftworks supercharger, and also we're gonna do a E85 kit, flex fuel kit. We're gonna use the kit from Delicious Tuning, and it's gonna be pretty much running on Eclipse and 700cc injectors, fuel pump, and pretty much a flex fuel kit. And we'll get it all tuned up and take it to Worksports for you know, some dyno tuning. So that will be completed in the next couple of weeks. Very nice, huh? Nico, what's up, man? Getting some sun? Shop mascot Nico. Oh snap. What up, Rick? So what you doing now, bro?
This manifold cleaned up, get some paint on it, and heat wrap it.
So no cracks or anything like that on the manifold?
So far it looks pretty good.
Oh, nice.
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, it's crazy because this turbo I installed like 11 years ago back at my old shop.
Yeah.
That turbo's going on that Super right there. So that car built like years ago, I think 2010. At least, yeah. Built 7M GTE, big turbo, which is this one. I forgot what size it was this. I think it's a GT40 or something. It's
Pretty
huge.
good size,
Yeah, for a built 3 liter 6-cylinder. So right now we're having Rick prep it up. We're gonna paint that too, right? And then
Probably just painting just to
yeah,
because the old finish is just. I mean, I knocked all the rust off, but it's just discolored from just years of getting hot and cold. So.
I know. So it's just gonna get painted and then wrapped, heat wrapped.
Yep.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Yep. No problem.
Yep. We actually installed the BC Racing coilovers on Joey's STI like last year. And see how it looks. You know, see? It's badass, man. All right, back on what I was doing. So this WRX, or actually it's not even a WRX, it's actually an Impreza non-turbo. And this is the second one we did. Last Saturday, we actually did one, same color. And we installed a set of BC Racing coilovers. So we're doing the same thing on this car, also the same set. These are pretty much like custom because like I guess for the Impreza, for this model is actually different, slightly different than the WRX. So yeah, so I already did set the preload and also I already set the height of the length of the shocks because I already did one last Saturday and pretty much like already know how it looked. So that's already set up and then once I put it on, it's taking just like maybe an hour. So we got like a Japanese flag. I think this is like, I don't think it's British. I forgot. But this is the Philippines, Mexico, and you know, the Eastic Race, the 40-shot Corona bottle, and the racer guy right there. Cool, thanks guys.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Good shit.